Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to delete your profile photo on Facebook. Whether you're looking to refresh your profile or just want to remove your current picture entirely, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Facebook page. Now that you're on your profile, tap on your profile photo again. A menu will appear with several options related to your picture. From here, locate and tap the three dots in the top right corner of the photo. This will open a new menu with additional options. Next, select Delete Photo from the list of options. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure about deleting the photo. To proceed, simply tap Delete again. And that's it. Your profile photo has now been removed. Facebook will replace it with the default blank avatar, giving you a fresh start. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.